Hello.
Hello, Eke.
Hello again.
I put on the Wi-Fi and make a cable connection.
Yes?
Yes, maybe it's better now. Maybe I can show you where the children are today. Over there.
Hello.
Hello, student.
Hello, Roger.
How are you?
And quick over there.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Okay.
So,
Have you started yes. Okay, Sandy. I think we are ready. They have already had your
picture?
drawing.
Drawing, yes.
And maybe you can start from scratch.
How is the resolution on your...
Not so good, but I think your English is perfect.
You're joking.
To find a solution, no problem.
Okay, so we can start.
Yes, no problem. Sandy.
Okay, we will start. Let me show you what is looking the final product, our product.
Yes.
Do you see that?
No. No sharing.
No sharing? Just a moment.
Okay.
Now?
Yes. The final solution, assembly.
This final assembly, yes. We call this spona, or
Clamp.
I think in English can be say clamp or vise, hand vise. Do you hear me okay?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. So we will start with hand screw. Okay? From scratch.
Hand screw.
Yes?
Okay, perfect.
So we'll start with new drawing, new part.
New part one.
Okay? So, on the front plane.
The front plane one?
Yes, we will draw a center line.
Yes.
Horizontal.
Horizontal center line.
Okay?
Perfect.
Okay, now we go with line. We draw half and then we do command revolve both.
No.
So,
Draw the half.
line from the center of coordinate system. So that sketch should be fully defined.
Sketch will be fully defined when you start in the center, the origin of the whole thing. And also curves. This should.
And at the end you must close the sketch.
Yeah. Wait.
So,
One moment.
yes?
Regelen de contour eraf tekenen. Ja, dat is moeilijk hè. Yeah. So the handle where you put your hand, it's not drawing at this moment, eh?
What?
Where you put your hand, the handle is not drawing, eh? This one.
Yes, yes. I want to say, you know, there is many ways to draw something. This is one way, step by step. This is just a half and then we continue with loft.
This part?
Yes, yes.
To there.
Yes, yes. Just follow the procedure. So, Eike,
Yeah, Sandy?
please say to student that this is one way to do things.
We know, no problem. We know.
Okay.
But just at the back, so you go from the origin up?
Yes, from origin up.
Right?
Yes.
Right, down, right, and then up.
Yeah, and then down. And then close.
Yes, and close
Sketch.
I go to my students, check out.
Okay. So, smart dimension. Let's start new origin. This one. We will smart dimension with smart way. So I show the line and the center line and go under the center line. So now we can put diameter.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
It's 12.
Yeah, diameter 12.
Okay?
Je gaat vanaf de lijn, zit je op de centerlijn en dan ga je rond staan op de centerlijn. En dan heb je de diameter in plaats van de taal. Ja, diameter 12. Okay. Yes?
Okay. So now we show the other line, diameter, and automatically should be like this. It's 16.
Oké, diameter 16 voor de volgende lijn. Dus daar waar het schroef gaat staan. Ja, dat is 12, hè? Iedereen? De lengte is nog niet gezegd. Oké.
Okay, other side.
Yes.
It's 28.
Het handvat zelf doet hij wel 28 aan dit zeggen. Dus de laatste stukje zal wel het handvat worden 28. Oké.
Okay, now this one is 12, like on the other side.
Yes. Schroef dat naar het tot 12. Schroef dat naar het op de zijkant is 12. Is dat niet?
Okay, now we do other linear. This one is 8.
Yes. Yes, no problem.
Okay,
Go further, I will check it later with the tree.
this one is 4.
Yes.
Okay,
Ik kan het echt uitleggen, maar we mogen gewoon in blad volgen, ze hebben de lengte. Gewoon eventjes in blad voor de lengte.
this one is 92.
Yes. Ja, en de maten die erop staan, dat kunnen jullie al.
And the whole is 100.
Yes. You do immediately the 20 degrees.
What?
The 20 degrees, you have drawn it because I can't see it.
No, after.
Okay. Oh yes, and you do the specially formed, the dome and...
No. Then after, this is, yes, for hand, after.
So you go at this moment till the length of 100.
Yes, the length is, whole length is 100.
Perfect. I go check it with the student.
Okay. Ja, moje ešte da je šlo, veš. Popravi kaj, ne, če kakšna stvar od tega. Za potovanje ni problem, ne, ampak tako pa... Dolžina je length, ne. Dotačeš 100 mm dolžina. Length is 100.
The length is
Whole.
100.
Whole, no?
The whole length
Yeah,
is
whole.
100. Да си скап вклопи да го шметля горе, виж да видим до къде на. Ту, само прехлопи. Но пък го помоим ще.
Okay.
Yes.
So now we do the command revolve boss.
Ja, revolve boss.
So we go to feature, command manager, and revolve boss.
Okay. Als je niet meer zegt, ik word je altijd weg. Ja, kan iemand dat doen? Okay.
Okay.
Yes. That's the start.
And confirm.
And the rest again, confirm. Everybody? Okay? Is it Sarah?
Okay. Now we do some chamfers. So, the first chamfer is 0.5.
Yes, dit afscheiding een half. Niet door elkaar praten. Chamfer.
0.5 chamfer.
Yes, okay.
At the end. Okay, the second chamfer 1.5.
Okay, for the screw.
Yes, and the other side of screw same.
1.5.
Yeah.
De schroefdraad start, je gaat aan de start 1,5. En de andere kant ook 1,5. De andere van de schroefdraad schuift van 1,5.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now also this will do with chamfer.
Yes.
This is 8 under 20 degree.
And how do you do the under? Is it with a special
Angle distance, you see? And distance is 8 and angle 20. Okay, so 8 under 20 degree.
Yes.
And confirming.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll do the back hand. Okay? So, my view is to do with loft. So we do planes. From this, go to reference geometry, insert plane.
Yeah, 1 moment.
Yes.
Vsega skupaj jih je 8, zdaj pa jih je 6 ali 7, ne vem.
Okay, so we put measurement 35.
35 measurement?
Yes, and we make 2 planes
Oh, yeah.
at the same time.
Two planes at the same time. Yes. The lock still there. And then two planes at the same time.
Yes? Okay. We confirm that. Okay?
Confirm. That's you.
So, we make another plane with different procedure. So we check plane 2.
Plane 2.
Yes. Press the control button and push away, move away. Yes, and we put measurement 10. 10 millimeters from this plane.
And after measurement 10, confirm or not?
Yes, yes, yes. Confirm. So we have 3 planes.
Yes.
Okay.
3 planes? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Yep.
Okay. So on the face, on this face, on the models, yes, we do sketch convert entities.
Okay.
Yes.
Convert entities is after the picture on this sketch now the whole picture.
Convert entities and we get.
Okay.
Okay. So now we close the sketch.
Close the sketch.
Yes? Okay. Now we go to plane 1.
Plane 1.
Check the plane. No, normal too, and then we draw a circle at the center of origin with dimension of 20.
Minimum how much?
20. 20, yes. Okay? So now we close the sketch.
Close the sketch.
Then we choose plane 3.
Plane 3?
Yeah. Normal too, and then also circle from origin and measure is 28.
Ja, op de volgende plane, ja, make after spin, name the volgende. Yes, it's plane 2, I think.
Yeah, plane 2.
Plane 2, yeah. Sorry.
Sketch on the second plane.
Ne, het is van druga, plane 3. On the second plane, yes. Ampak je ime.
Yes, and then we plane 3.
Yes, this second plane, you know, I have on my place it's plane 3, but it's second plane. Okay? Dimension 28.
Okay.
Okay, close sketch. Close.
Wachten we dan
Now we go to the last plane.
Yeah.
Normal too. And draw a circle. Diameter 10.
Diameter 10. So we have 10, 28, 20, and then the last one is also 28, I think. Yeah?
The first on the face is 28.
Yes.
The second on the first plane is 20.
Yes.
Then 28.
Yes, and 10.
And then 10.
Okay, perfect.
And now close the sketch.
Close the sketch.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now we do the command loft. So we go to the command manager. And the second command is revolve loft. Lofted boss base.
Okay. Is iedereen daar gevonden? Okay.
Okay? Lofted boss base. Now we must show these circles.
Yes.
First. Second.
In the blauw.
Third. Last one. Sve bi lahko drugače, ampak sem prosil, da daš tako, zato da veš, da se komande več pride prav, ne? Še lepa oblika je tako. Kako bi rekla ti čaj?
Handel.
Handel.
Ja.
To bom zdaj malo povedal. To so te ročke, ne? Kot recimo v programu.
Ročica je handel, vedno, ne vem, če še kako bi zelo spod.
Okay, Sandy?
Okay, maybe just to, for information, we have now some green dots. Yes, we must be careful if that they are at the same line. You know? If I move, you see what you can get.
Yes.
It's interesting. So, it's better to be online. You can try it, but, you know. Okay, now we confirm. Okay. These three planes we can shut off, so click and hide. We'll hide the planes.
Hide the planes.
First, second and third. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now, at the face, the last circle, we will perform command dome.
Ja, een dome maken op het einde op de laatste blok. Een dome maken op de laatste blok nog niet.
Če moš povedati, kje to najde, ali če ne ve?
Se sem hodil samo v domov, če bojo. Ajke? Okay. Okay, so if not, command is not on command manager, we can find it on insert, feature and dome.
Yes.
Okay.
Is command gevonden? Okay.
Yeah. Just a moment. We will dimension 5 and we make elliptical, sorry, it's 2.
Elliptical with measurement 5?
2.
2?
Okay, 2. And we must check out elliptical dome.
Yeah. Okay. Elliptical dome with the measurement 2. Alright.
Okay, confirming. So now it's almost done. Now we go to the other part, the face, click, normal too, and we draw a circle with diameter of screw, 16.
At the first plane of the part?
Yes, at the front, yeah.
Front plane, de voorkant op het rechtstuk, daar krijg je een schets maken met een cirkel van diameter 16. Ja, ja, maar daarvoor is het van Okay, Sandy.
Okay. Now we go to insert helix spiral. Insert. Insert curve and helix spiral. Okay, so now you can see I must reverse direction on the direction of screw, and the first thing what I must do is to correct pitch. Pitch of screw is 2.
Okay, I will check it now.
Yes. Okay, so pitch is 2. Now, revolutions. We must, we can just press on the button and we see we must go to the end.
We kunnen de lengte nu op de knopje laten. Revolution.
45 revolutions.
45?
Yes.
We will check it.
Okay. Okay. The last thing is to start angle. Start angle must be 0. You know why? Because we must draw a profile on the sketch plane. So if we put 0, we can choose right plane and we are on. So that is 0. Okay?
Clockwise, I think.
Clockwise, yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, confirming. Okay, now we little rotate to see where is start of our spiral, and on the left side we choose, for me, stop plane. I think for you also.
The top plane?
Yes?
Okay, top plane helemaal, dus in de linker is hier vol, in de plane upwards, okay.
I can. So the end start of spiral must be exactly on the top plane. If we start on the front plane, now it's okay. Maybe the student started okay?
I will check it.
Yeah. Okay?
No. The spiral must start at the top plane, you say?
Yeah, top plane.
Yes, but you know, if we start, look, this one, we start on front plane, yes? So, the spiral, we start on 0, and if I choose the top plane, it's exactly on the same level, you see?
I will check it.
Yeah. Atlej so pomenčki lahko, tu može biti.
Vprašanje, kako so delali?
Ja.
Kako so postavljali?
Če smo štartali, enako. Vidi, zdaj si bolj se bo takoj izkazal, ali je v redu ali ni. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we choose top plane, normal too, and zooming, the start of spiral.
Normal zoom at the top plane and zoom in at the start. Low plane. But in the end, the long plane and the start the bottom.
Yes?
Okay.
Okay, so everybody has this picture, like this. Okay, now look. We must do the profile of screw. And maybe easiest way is to check, to choose polygon. And we, on parameters, we choose 3 sides.
How do you call the icon?
Polygon.
Polygon?
Yes.
Polygon. Is it not done?
It's under the arc. Below there. Yes? And now we go to the end of spiral, or start of spiral, and just
Впрашайте за останали параметри.
Is it a triangle?
yes.
Okay.
Ne vem, če je čuvano, da mora dati 3 tam pri parametru, veš, da ga malo vpraša, če se da.
Now, Sandy, there is a problem for some students.
Yes.
When they choose front plane,
Yes.
they want to make it polygon. There is a problem with it because the polygon can't start under the center line.
Yes, but we say that is the top plane, not front plane. Top.
Yes, but some...
Okay. I understand.
I think choose the wrong one to start.
Maybe we can check the spiral if it starts on 0 degree.
Yes.
Če so začeli na front plane, namesto na top plane?
Če so začeli na top plane, grejo samo na front plane. Če so začeli na front plane...
We can try to do the next.
This is... I show you They have a 0 degree start?
Yes, they have.
Uh-huh.
But maybe they started at the first sketch, not on the front plane, but at the top plane, I think.
Okay, but then they must just switch.
Yes.
If they start on the top plane, they can choose now front plane.
I thought it was that. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
So now we are on this sketch.
Yes.
Okay. The first is to make this line of triangle horizontal. Make horizontal. This one.
Oh yes. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Sandy.
Okay.
Some students have a few problems. This is a very interesting thing to do.
Yes.
So we further with the other students and the rest that follow behind.
Okay. So now we do the measurement, smart dimension,
Yes.
the end of triangle and the center.
Oh ja. Smart dimension voor smart hier, die 100 mm, mag gewoon op je huur liggen. Smart dimension van het kopje, zodat de midden zit in de How much?
1.732.
1.732.
1.732.
Dat gaat tussen de top en het middendeelte van het wiel. Ziet het?
Okay.
Ja. Niet door elkaar praten, dat is dan niet. We zullen het beter dragen. Okay.
So now, if you have fully defined, the student have fully defined? Some, okay. If not, like on my screen, I must connect center of polygon. So, helix and center, control, and make pierce relation, pierce relation.
Yes.
To je zadnja prednja zrežimo.
This is a
new relation. I can show you once more.
No, we have.
Okay. Okay. So now we almost done. Now we close the sketch. Okay. We go on the command manager. And we choose sweep cut. Command sweep cut. Sweep cut, okay?
Yes.
So, the sweep cut is working like this. You show profile and then the spiral or curve.
The second.
Yes. And it's done. And that's, say okay.
Spirala, mettendo il viewcam, dan is spiraal, in het andere vakje, en dan gaat hij normaal
Sfoto še zaokrožil, tu je. Tako ne imam treba.
Ste v redu, moj neki izziv, če ne poznajo.
Once more?
Ne, one moment.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Perfect. One student is calling me.
Okay.
Imaš popisal podvojeno, imaš še belo poleg.
Kaj?
Ono belo tam odgore, to je samo da vidiš, kaj še drugače izgleda.
Kjero bilo?
To zdaj.
To?
To ali vidiš še
A ja,
sivo
to je
in
senca,
belo.
to je senca.
A ja, senca, ne.
Ja, ja, senca je vključena.
The students are just asking me what kind of screw is it?
M16.
Metric.
Metric and pitch is 2.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
I can.
Yeah.
You see this? No? Ah, sorry, just a moment.
Under, yes, okay. Hello.
This book, and you have here every detail of metric screws and other.
Every student has one.
Uh,
Simona,
Hey!
you okay then?
Yeah, okay.
so did the student make the screw?
Yes, yes. Two, I think, didn't because SolidWorks
Problems.
yes, an error, but no problem for me.
Uh-huh.
We do it after this class next week, I think, again.
Yes.
It's a very, very good exercise.
Oh, I want to show you one more thing because it's not much time, but on the second piece.
Yes, mannen, ik ga nu nog één dingetje tonen, het laatste net op het tweede stukje. Misschien toch wel best een keer meekijken. Oké, Sandy?
So maybe we save this part like hand screw or something like that.
We kunnen dat opslaan voor de wijk gaan, maar voor mij hoeft dat niet dat te doen. Voor mij hoeft het niet, laat het maar openstaan dan. En ik ga nu een nieuw stukje nemen van de ander. Ik ga nog een klein geven dan...
Dwojnie, nie?
Nee.
Okay.
Eden.
Yeah. Hand screw, okay?
Ja.
Okay. So we start a new part.
Ja. A part is a horse for us, eh?
What?
When we say horse in Belgium, it's paard.
Prevod ti je povedal, kako se reče v Belgiji.
Nisam razumel. Yes, yes. Okay. New part, okay. Okay, no problem. So, we start sketch on the right plane. On the right plane.
Ja, wanneer de concentratie altijd normaal is.
Okay, now we start with line at the origin, and we do like I show you now. So, line on the right, then up and down, and go with the circle, arc, and at the same level at the origin, and a little down, and then back, but not at the center, but a little shorter, and then again back and down.
Backhand is for tennis,
and go to the origin and down.
Oké, mannen, ik zie de voorhand deze. Dus hij gaat eigenlijk deze doen. Van onder staat er in het centrum, een rechte lijn, dan een beetje boven aan, rechte lijn, naar beneden, rechte lijn en dan hierboven. Maar niet vergeten, dat onderste lijn is sporten van naar boven te leiden. Probeer dat even. You're trying to do it, eh?
Okay. Okay. So, let's start smart dimensioning.
Smart dimension, yes?
Yes. First, at the origin, vertical line is 22. Yes?
Everything okay?
Yes, so we go the second, it's also 22.
Okay.
Okay, then the outer arc, it's 60. Okay, the length, maximum length from beginning, origin to center of the outer arc is 72.
Okay. The center, that's how 72.
2, yes. Okay, second arc dimension is 38. It's already, so no problem. Length to the second center is 62.
Okay.
Okay, now we do the extruded boss.
Yes.
But here on the direction we choose not blind but mid-plane.
Oké. Als je een extrusiebal doet, mag je iets keer voor de midplane in plaats van een one direction. En het is een one direction.
Midplane and 28.
Midplane. Oké, 28.
28. Okay, confirm. Okay, now we do some fillets on the corner. Fillets 14. And the other side also. And the bottom also. So both are 14. Up and down. Okay? Okay, confirmed. I can. Okay, I will show you just one thing because in 10 minutes I have a class, but I would like to show you how we make here the identical screw. The lower level you will try it yourself after. Okay. So first now we save.
Okay, perfect.
So first save this part.
Save?
Save, yes. Name you what you wish. Spona. Clamp. Okay. Clamp. And save. So now we try two new commands. Maybe you know it already. We will insert the hand screw into this part.
Okay.
So.
En dan gaan we toe met de mensen die dat loslaten. Als ze nog hebben staan, slaan ik erop. Dus de handvat ook even opslaan. Dan gaan we er lekker weg in steken. En dan gaan we daar even opnemen. Ik wil dat niet meer in, jongens. Ik moet even doorwerken. Ik wil deze wel nog zien dat het een negatief, want dan weet ik zelf niet meer dat het moet zijn. Dat er een klap op.
Okay, so now we start with insert part. On the menu, insert part. Boš rekel tem mojim, če da počakajo 10 minut?
10 minut?
Ja. Ker zdaj bi morali imeti test s tem, dobro je Excel. Okay, insert part, and now we look for this, what we screw, no? Okay, now we must go carefully. So, we must take care that here must be checked out locate part with move copy feature. Okay?
For me.
Okay. Now we click on the screen.
Click on the screen.
Yeah. On the desk. So now on the left side we have properties for relations. And we must show. Okay, you see that?
Yes.
So we check the screw, the bottom line, oval.
Oval.
Yeah.
The line of the screw or
Oval. Look on the screen. This face.
yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, and on the spona this face.
Да сме научили ново беседо.
Катера?
Спона.
Малко Швеция се ми зди.
Mislim, da konkretno. Norvežanih ne boš tako, boš bolj naivni.
Okay, now we must add another relation.
Yes.
This is a button add, mate. Oh,
What do we have to do?
add. Press the
Button.
button. Add.
Okay, yes.
Okay, and now we show the bottom face of the screw.
Yeah.
This one. And spona bottom. This one.
Okay.
Okay, and now we choose at the left side of the properties distance.
Yes.
And at the mate alignment, flip dimension.
Yeah.
Yes, and we choose 20.
Yes.
Okay, it's like this on my screen.
Yeah. Okay. Also fine.
Okay, now okay, check, confirm.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last command is the insert, feature and combine.
Combine.
Yes? Insert, feature, combine.
Yes.
Okay, when we choose combine, at the left side of the command we must check subtract.
Okay.
Yes? And then here we must choose the main body and the body to combine. The main body is spona. We show on spona, click on spona. Okay?
Yes. Next.
And the second body to combine is click on the screw.
Okay.
And OK. Confirm. Okay. What do you think?
Oh, perfect.
Okay.